behavioral demand response lives in the space between a critical peak event and a cost-intensive response measure like direct load control or a rebate or incentive-based strategy. Direct load control is the classic example of demand response. It's not practical to install a load control device on every single residential AC unit in the United States. That's a lot of AC units. Utilities really need another tool in their tool belt. That tool is behavioral demand response. Behavioral demand response lives on top of really classic home energy report, behavioral energy efficiency type of program. Instead of nudging someone to reduce their behavior, it nudges them to shift their behavior to a different time. And those nudges are important because they have to be personalized so people know the right thing to do. So say in the morning, I receive an email from my utility that said there is a peak event upcoming from 4 to 6 p.m. that day. And I realized that my EV, I forgot to charge it last night. And so I'll immediately go out and charge my EV ahead of the event. And so what's great about a customer's understanding their behavior and receiving that morning notification that reminds me to not charge my EV during that time is that I can go on to my activity map and look at all of my load as well as my major appliances. So I can kind of see what am I using during that regular peak event time, so I can make sure to coach myself ahead of time to change those behaviors to outside of that peak window.